Do you want that you become healthy? If you are 10 and you want to make strong your physique, so this video is for you. Good day guys, this is Dr. Basit. Today I'm going to tell you just the sex seeds, and it will help you and your physique very much. If you're using the tablet of proteins or the powder of proteins and you're not getting very good result, so try this. Take 100 gram of pumpkin seeds, 100 gram of coconut, dry coconut, 100 gram of poppy seeds, 100 gram of watermelon seeds, and 100 gram of muskmelon seeds. Just take the 6 ingredients, grind it. You will get a powder of this ingredients. Early in the morning, take 1 teaspoon with 1 glass of milk. Use this up to 1 month. You will get much change in your physique. If you are a bodybuilder and you want to your muscular body, then you can continue this for months. There is no side effect. It's natural, 100% natural, and you will get very positive results. It will help you to make strong your muscles. It will help you to get strong your physique, and it will help you your physical body structure very strong. Just try this for a month, and if you are a bodybuilder and you are any athlete, you can continue for months.